Ken Pangilinan kasama si Coach Juanito Gregorio at courtside Miss Andrea Endicio. And right off the bat, Tres ang pinakawalan. No good. Barrera with the rebound. Barrera sees an open lane, lays it up and in.
But he plays terrific for that 2 or 3 possession. Wow! Not even done with that I'm saying, but John Fa, just so quick.
Inaalala ko, ikaw mismo ba nagbanggit o binanggit sa akin ni Coach Mike na ikaw yung nagbanggit?
No, nasabi ko na kay Coach Mike, nasabi ko na rin kay Boss Edel. Gagamitin na natin yan kasi napakabilis talaga netong si John Fa. Hindi, grabe no? Paano pang nag-foot race? John Fa versus Andre Gonzalez.
Robbie Darang, sama mo sa conversation
Robbie
na yan.
Darang, JC Marcelino.
Mark Doligon. Play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Just making Andre pass to Miko Dizon na ilusot laban kay Mark Doligon. Tatakbo si Espinosa. Sloppy pass. Dizon recovers. March De Leon. Bola na tapik ni John Fa. Coming away with a steal. LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Doligon. Those huge strides. Lays it up and in. Plus a foul.
Between the two of these teams, you see that hesitation to a drive coming from Mark Doligon. Might not be the youngest.
Ang kapatid na Akop nasa loob. Good intention, but Dizon wasn't able to catch that pass from Aaron Akop. Hindi mo nakita yun?
Hindi pa.
Tinawagan siya ng foul. As you see that shot go in for... Hindi. After a whistle, which was a foul, medyo nagkatinginan sila nung isang player from Ilagan. Pumagit na isang referee, si Jet, hindi naman mainit yung ulo, parang natatawa, inawakan yung buong referee, ginanon. Pero Nakop hitting to cut the lead down to 4, and the referee, after nag-umawat siya, I don't know if you saw that.
Parang Mo Peterson moment ba to?
Oo, parang ganun, parang ganun.
Parang ganun. Sige nga, hanapin ko nga yan.
Nakalusot. Sa Laveria, supalpal, inabot kay Miko Dizon. Tatakbo Bulacan. Akop Brothers. No, that's Espinosa. Back to Alfred. Tapos sit down low. Dalawa lang sila nagpasahan doon, pero basket to take the shot. Sports Plus is the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Scan the QR code to play or visit www.sportsplus.ph in favor of Manila. Fa throws the ball away. Akop on the run. Aaron Akop with the gorgeous Miko Dizon snares down another board. Andre Akop spins over Alfred Cedillo, puts it in.
Watching the league flourishing. Back to you guys.
Saktong-sakto dito sa San Rafael. Also has roots from Bustos, Bulacan. Ito si Aris Dionisio. And I remember when that Manila squad was stacked with Aris Dionisio, Chris Biton, Real Cervantes.
John Gabriel, I think, was there. Yeah, I do remember it. Dito talaga nag-blossom si Aris Dionisio when he played in the MPBL. He was a bona fide star in the league, someone that everybody was watching, and that gave him
a 2-second differential between shot and game clock. March De Leon. Herald Benedictos.
Cold, he will still shoot. If it's hot, he will shoot. First basket of the ball game, then he makes it right away.
Supalpal, inabot.